lads, so this lesson we went through the robot vacuum task and we ran through how we can set up a variable block. So just for a quick review, we'll load up that one. I'll discard that. We have robot vacuum volume 2. So what we're doing is we're setting up a distance. So this level 2, we're setting a variable. So I'll trash all that and we'll go through how we did that. So to set a variable, we're going to make a variable. We're going to call it stop dist, and we're going to set our variable, which is stop distance, to, we'll stop say 150 out. So same as before, we're going to do a forever loop. Might as well put our, I think I did art canvas last time. Set up pen down and give it a colour, and then all we're going to do is we're going to set up a control loop where if the distance sensor reads less than, make it 100 mil, we're going to reverse it up 200 and turn to the left or to the right, doesn't matter. Else we're going to drive forward and don't worry. Let's give it a crack at that one. Detects it, turns around to the left. Easy as. So the benefit of setting up a variable is that once we've set that distance, we can say, okay, our stop distance is 150 millimeters. So let's change our color to red and we'll see what difference that makes. So we can see it's stopping earlier, and what we might do is we might change it to green, and we'll change our stop distance to 50 mils. And when we do that, we'll see that we get a lot closer. And that's level 2 for the robot vacuum. So next one we're doing is our sensing colors. So we're going to start on part C. We're going to drive forward until we get a red line, and then we're going to start drawing a red line until we get to the green line. So for this one, create a new one, file, new blocks project, and we're going to go to the line detector. To set where you're going to sit, like Google Maps, click on the little map icon, set your starting point at C. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a control, we're going to wait until, oops, got to set some stuff first. We're going to drive forward, and then we're going to wait until, using our sensor, the down eye, because it looks down, detects red. What do we want to do? Move pen down, set color to red, and then wait until our down eye again detects green. We want to stop driving. So restart, here we go, driving forward, we detect the red, we set the red line, we get the green, we stop. So that's level 1 of the sensing colours one. Have a good day, boys.